Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for nursery, suitable for 4 to 5 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 79. On this page, children, we are going to make, read and write words. Look at this, children. This is f, a, g, fig. Listen again, children. F, a, g, fig. Listen one more time, children. F, a, g, fig. And this is wa, a, g, wig. Listen again, children. Wa, a, g, wig. Listen one more time, children. Wa, a, g, wig. And this is s, a, t, sit. Listen again, children. S, a, t, sit. Listen one more time, children. S, a, t, sit. And this is l, a, p, lip. Listen again, children. L, a, p, lip. Listen one more time, children. L, a, p, lip. And this is z, a, p, zip. Listen again, children. Z, a, p, zip. And this is d, a, p, dip. Listen again, children. D, a, p, dip. Let's read all the words on this page, children. Fig, wig, sit, lip, zip, dip. Read again, children. Fig, wig, sit, lip, zip, dip. Children, now you have to write these words on these lines. You will write this word fig on these lines, and then you have to write this word wig on these lines by yourself. And then you have to write this word sit on these lines. This is lip. You have to write the word lip on these lines. This is zip. Children, you have to write the word zip on these lines. And this is dip. Children, you have to write the word dip on these lines. Let's read all the words again, children. Fig, wig, sit, lip, zip, dip. Read again, children. Fig, wig, sit, lip, zip, dip. This is fig, this is wig, and this is sit, this is lip, and this is zip, and this is dip. Children, you have to read and write these words on this page. This is page number 79.